Welcome back to the garden. So first of all, let me say Happy New Year to you, and thank you very much for all the well wishes when it comes to my burst appendix. It's much appreciated. But today's video is a brilliant tour video, something that's going to come up on the channel as much as I can in 2025. So this garden is a Lincolnshire based garden and it's an absolute beauty. Also, it's worth noting that he actually used a steel edge around, so obviously it's really robust, but it looks the part as well, and it really does fit in with this style of gardening. So this is a new build garden, so I know they have a lot of challenges, but Kieron actually barrowed in 17.5 tons of topsoil, and I think we can all agree that it's well worth it. Now this garden was only established in 2022, so it's only 3 years old, and it goes to show what you can really achieve within a few short years when it comes to this style of gardening. Anyway, I'll give you a few more details at the end, but without further ado, let's get into this video. And there we have it, with a frost on the horizon tonight. I think it's only appropriate just to talk about what Kieron actually does in his garden to keep things ticking over. So his cannas and his gingers and things like that, he simply mulches over. The tree ferns, they get a wrap around, and I think he said the more tender bananas they get taken into the house. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out, and please consider subscribing. Like I say, 2025, I'm going to really be pushing on the tour and transformation videos. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the garden.